I've been thinking.
I wonder what about?
We've made so many cool houses for our fluffy friends. They can live there, eat tasty things, and even swim.
Yes, I remember these crafts. It was so much fun to make them, and our pets enjoyed them so much.
So I've been thinking, it's not fair. I'm sure that our turtles could also want to live in a spacious house with a garden and a pond too.
Okay, I can take that hint.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes! How can we leave our turtles without a fun house? Hi guys! Today we decided to give a great present to our turtles.
That's why we're gonna build a mini house with a pond! I wouldn't mind having such a house for myself.
We've got a lot of work to do, not only building walls, but also making many pieces of furniture and decor. This is gonna be fun.
Oh, I know what we should do. The main thing is sharing responsibilities.
Let me guess. I'll do everything and you'll give me advice. Am I right?
Everybody knows I'm always ready to help. Come on, ask me anything you need.
Okay. Could you bring me a brush?
Oh, I think I know what you're going to do.
Feel free to explain.
You need to apply some resin inside the pool, so when it sets, we can pour water in it. That's how you do it.
Yes, our turtles like swimming, so we'll give them this opportunity.
Yeah, what can be better than chilling near the pond on a hot summer day?
Stop daydreaming, Sammy. We still haven't agreed on responsibilities, remember?
Oh, I almost forgot. It's just so hypnotizing to watch you work.
That's a good excuse, Sammy.
I hope you weren't gonna leave the walls like this.
Of course not.
Yay!
I think we should make colorful, bright walls. I really like this striped design. The more colors, the better, right?
Sue, have you ever seen this trick? Huh, voila! Well, how do you like it?
That was awesome, Sammy! But I'm not surprised, because I can do the same. See? Guys, don't forget to hide the edges, otherwise they won't suit our impressive design.
Impressive design? Does it mean you figured it out already?
Of course, Sammy, I have a plan. Let's start with the living room. We're gonna make a couch first. It's gonna be so soft and comfortable. Sammy, do you want to add something?
I was thinking about a coffee table. They will make a perfect set with your couch!
It's a really great idea. Up, and one more. There. I like working as a team. It means twice as many great ideas. Guys, be very careful with the glue gun. It can burn you. And this little guy goes here. A bit of craft magic won't hurt. Huh? Lovely.
Sue, I'm not criticizing or anything, but why don't we add a little accent to make it even cooler?
I think I know what you mean.
Whoa! Okay.
It looks so great! What do you think, guys? Give us a thumbs up if you agree. This blue color looks so good on pink. Let's place our couch right here.
The coffee table is ready! It's my masterpiece! What do you say, Sue?
Wow, Sammy, you did great! But first, we'll put a carpet here so that the table legs won't ruin the floor. And now, decorations!
You did that all by yourself!
No, no, no. You can take care of other things for our little living room.
Now you're talking!
You've got a lot of space, so set your imagination free. While Sammy is busy, I'll deal with the books, of course. This will look good here as well.
No need to wait! Everything's ready!
You're so fast! I barely had time to finish my part. I'm so lucky to have you.
Well, it's my job, Sue, to be near and to help you when it's needed.
All we have to do is set things right. Actually, you inspired me, Sammy, so I decided to add something else here.
Hey, it's as if it's always been here.
And more plants! Our turtle loves greenery! Wow, how cool is that?
Sue, it seems to me we forgot about the bedroom. Where will our turtle sleep?
Don't panic, Sammy. Everything is thought through. Our little buddies won't have to live without a comfortable place to have a rest. I thought it should be a bit isolated, so I decided to place it on the second floor. Now let's assemble the bed. Here comes the headboard. I want our turtles to feel comfortable. And a very soft and thick mattress.
It looks like a real princess bed. We should make it in a proper way then.
That's right, Sammy.
Whoa!
Any Disney princess could use a bed like this. I hope you didn't hide a pea under the mattress.
I was too busy, Sue, making this.
Let me see. Oh, I like this bedside table! But let's make 2 of them so that each turtle has its own place to store things. We'll place the first one here, and the second one goes here. I want to try something too! Wow, did you notice the difference?
I see at least 4 new things!
You've always been very attentive, Sammy. I heard that pets resemble their owners, and since Sam and I are very creative, our turtles should also have this.
And we're getting to the most interesting part!
We'll make the swings.
Yay!
It's pretty easy, just watch me. First, we need to glue soft pillows. And then we'll add more comfortable details. Oh, this looks cute already! Let's add a bright backrest too. It suits our style.
It happened again! I got tangled!
Every time, Sammy!
Whoa! I can't get it myself! And I don't see anything funny in that!
Anyway, you've got tangled just in time, because this lace is just what I needed. Huh?
Can't wait to see the final result!
Me too, Sammy. Don't worry, we're almost there. Well, let's take these beams and attach them here. And to the other side. Now we'll add a few on top. Ba-ba-da-bum! And the last touch, beautiful sparkly chains. Hop. Here comes another one.
Wow, it looks so great that I want to swing along with the turtles!
Be patient, just one more step. It's gonna be so beautiful and cozy. Just look at this.
Sue, isn't it too high for the turtles? They won't be able to climb onto the platform!
That's why I've prepared this colorful step. Remember I told you about the last step? Well, here it is.
Let's add more flowers and greenery in the garden before our turtles come!
That's right. Guys, the base of our turtle ration is greenery, so we'll need a lot of different flowers. Here we go! And the very final touch. Here comes the water. Ooh.
Let's get a closer look at the house! Sue, we did a great job!
We sure did, Sammy.
Sue, why is the hamster here? Where are the turtles?
Well, maybe they'll come later. Besides, Milky looks quite happy about this new house.
You're right, Sue! We did great anyway! Do you like it, buddy?
I bet he does, Sammy. Wait, Milky, that's not food. Oh!
We should have placed some treats for him, Sue!
Right, I didn't think about that.
Oh, well. We'll fix it next time, I guess. Go on, buddy! Well, I bet Milky still liked this house. Oh, yeah!
Why don't we show him the second floor? Is it time to go to bed already, huh? That's right, buddy. Oh no!
He's quite keen on the decor! Oh no, Milky! Don't break it! That's art, you know!
Don't worry, Sammy. It's gonna be all right. We can fix that. Oh, he's so sweet, that little hamster.
Guys, if you like this craft, give us a thumbs up and hit that bell button!
And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye-bye.